Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today we'll start our exercise 5.4 which is given on page number 121. In that the question is solve the following word problems. The first is length of Ramesh desk is 1 meter 25 centimeter. Length of Sharan's desk is 1 meter 35 centimeter. What will be the total length if both the desks are joined? So two lengths of desk are given. The first desk is of 1 meter 25 centimeter and the length of Sharan's desk is what? 1 meter 35 centimeter. And what they ask, the total length of both. As the word total is here used and they are joined together, so we'll use which operation will do here? Addition. So first we'll write the values as per the columns. So 1 meter, so 1 is in meter column and 25 centimeter, so 25 in centimeter column. Now next is second desk is what? 1 meter 35 centimeter, so 1 in meter column and 35 in centimeter column. As they ask for the total length, so we'll do here addition, so plus sign will do. Starting from 1's column of centimeter, that is 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. Now 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Next 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the answer here? 2 meter 60 centimeter. So the total length of both the desks is 2 meter 60 centimeter. Next is poles A, B and C are joined in one more time we'll read. Poles A, B and C are in one line and are connected by electrical wires. The length of the wires between pole A and B is 3 meter 45 centimeter and the length of the wire between poles B and C is 5 meter 35 centimeter. So what is the total length of the wires from pole A to pole C? 3 poles are given, pole A, pole B and pole C. So this A, B and C, 3 poles are given. So the length of the wires between pole A to B, the length of 2 poles, this wire is of what? 3 meter 45 centimeter. So this length of the wire is 3 meter 45 centimeter and the length of the wire B to C is of 5 meter 35 centimeter. So what they ask, the length of A to C, this whole length they ask, that how much length of wire A to C that we have to measure. So here we'll again do addition as they ask for the total length. I have given you the keywords, if you remember, total, altogether, words. If comes that time you have to perform addition. So here two values will put as per the columns, 3 meter 45 centimeter, so 3 in meter column and 45 in centimeter column. Now length of the wire B to C is what? 5 meter 35 centimeter, so 5 is in meter column and 35 is in centimeter column. As they ask for the total length, so we'll do here addition. Starting from 1's column, 5 plus 5 is 10, so 0 in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 4 plus 3, 4, count after 4 up to 3 fingers. So what will be the answer? 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 3 plus 5 is 8 again. So what is the answer here? 880. That means 8 meter 80 centimeter. So the total length of wire A to C is 8 meter 80 centimeter. Now next is the distance from the school gate till the door of class 2 is 25 meter 54 centimeter. The distance from class 2 door to class 3 door is 5 meter 24 centimeter. What is the total distance from the school gate to the door of the class 3? Okay, the distance from school gate to class 2 is given, that is of 25 meter 54 centimeter, and from class 2 to class 3 the distance is 5 meter 24 centimeter. So what they ask, the total distance from gate to class 3. So here also again we'll perform here addition. So put the values as per the columns. To class 2's length is distance is 25 meter, so 25 is in meter and 54 centimeter. Now next is 5 meter. So as 5 is a one digit number, so we'll write this in the ones place of the meter column. So this is the meter column and the ones place of meter column is this. So we'll place 5 in this ones column of meter. Now 5 meter 24 centimeter, and as they ask for total distance, so again we'll do here addition. Now 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 5 is 10, so 0 in answer place, 1 is carry over to its next. 2 plus 1 carry over is 3. So what is the answer? 30 meter 78 centimeter. Now next is given, the tailor has cut a 9 meter 85 centimeter clothes into 2 pieces. If one piece measured 5 meter 64 centimeter, what will be the length of the other piece of clothes? So total length of the cloth is of 9 meter 85 centimeter. This whole cloth is cut into 2 pieces. In which the first piece is of 5 meter 64 centimeter. So remaining clothes length we have to find here. So here we'll do subtraction as we have to measure the length of other piece. So the 9 meter 85 centimeter, so 9 is in meter column, 85 is in centimeter column, and 5 meter 64 centimeter, so 5 is in meter column, 64 is in centimeter column. And as we have to perform subtraction, so minus sign. So starting from ones column of centimeter, 5 minus 4 is 1. Count after 4 up to 5. So count after 4 is 5. So how many fingers? 1. So 1 here. 8 minus 6. After 6 up to 8. After 6, 7, 8. That is 2. So we'll write here 2. Again 9 minus 5 is 4. So what is the answer here? 4 meter 21 centimeter. That means the other piece of cloth is of 4 meter 21 centimeter. Now next is building A is 57 meter 45 centimeter high, and the building B is 24 meter 45 centimeter high. What is the difference in the heights of these two buildings? So building A and building B is given. So building A is of what? 54 centimeter, sorry 57 meter and 45 centimeter, and length of second building is what? B building is of 24 meter and 45 centimeter. So what they ask, the difference between the heights of this. So you can see here building A is bigger than building B. So how much building A is bigger than the building B, that we have to measure, or the difference we have to measure. So we will use here subtraction. So difference word is used, so you will do subtraction. The keywords is subtraction for difference, remaining, left. If these words comes in the word problems, that time you will do subtraction only. So now here building A is of 57 meters, so 57 in meter column and 45 in centimeter column. Now next is 24 is in meter column and 45 is in centimeter column. As we have to measure the difference, so again we'll do here subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 7 minus 4, count after 4 up to 7, after 4, 5, 6, 7, that means 3. Now 5 minus 2 is again 3. So what is the answer here? 33 meter 00 centimeter. So building A is 33 meter bigger than building B. Now last one, A rope is 12 meter 50 centimeter long. If 6 meter 25 centimeter rope is used as a clothesline, what length of the rope is left unused? So a rope is given. A rope is 12 meter 50 centimeter long. If 6 meter 25 centimeter rope is used for clothesline means what? The wire or the rope in which we dry our clothes. So we put our clothes to dry, that rope is called as a clothesline. So the clothesline is of 12 meter 50 centimeter long, and in which 6 meter 25 centimeter rope is used for the clothes to dry. So how much part is left as a unused, that we have to find. So again will do here subtraction as left word is used here. The keywords I told you that you have to remember. So first 12 meter, so 12 is in meter column, 50 is in centimeter column. Next 6 meter, now 6 is a one digit number, so as 6 is one digit number, we'll place ones column of meter. So this is the ones column of meter, we'll put ones at the ones place of meter, that is 6 meter 25 centimeter. Now as we have to do the subtraction, so minus sign, 0 minus 5. So as 0 is smaller than 5, we can't subtract it directly. So what we have to do, we have to take a borrow from it next. If 5 is there, if we take 1 from it, 110 from it, how many left here? 4. And here 110 plus 0 is become 10, right? So 10 minus 5 is now possible. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 2 minus 6 is not possible. So we'll take borrow. If 1 is here, if we take 1 from it, how many will remain here? 0, because only 1 is there. So 0 will remain, and here 110 plus 2 is become 12. So 12. Now 12 minus 6, count after 6 up to 12. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 6. So we'll write here 6 and 0 as it is. So what is the answer here? 6 meter 25 centimeter length of the rope is left unused. I hope you understand this.